Welcome to Meizen Meditation, your cozy corner of calm in a busy world. No pressure, no expectations, just a little time for you to breathe, relax, and fill your heart with kindness. Today, we're diving into metta meditation, or loving kindness. A beautiful practice to open your heart, melt away stress, and feel more connected to yourself, to others, and to the world around you. So, get comfy, close your eyes if you'd like, and let's begin this journey together. Ready? Let's go. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You're right where you need to be. Let's start with you, because you deserve kindness just as much as anyone else. Place your hand over your heart and feel its steady rhythm. Silently repeat these phrases, letting them sink in. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I be happy. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. You're learning to be your own best friend. Now, think of someone who makes your heart smile. Maybe a family member, a close friend, or even a pet. Picture them in your mind's eye and offer them these wishes. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. Feel the warmth of your love for them. Let it glow brighter with each breath. Next, bring to mind someone you see often but don't know well. A barista, a neighbor, or a colleague. Send them the same kindness. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. Notice how easy it is to wish them well. Kindness doesn't need a reason. Now, think of someone who's been difficult for you. You don't have to like them. Just acknowledge their humanity. Silently repeat, "May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy." This isn't about them, it's about freeing your heart. Even a little softness is enough. Finally, let your kindness ripple outward, to strangers, to animals, to every living thing. Whisper, "May all beings be safe. May all beings be healthy. May all beings live with ease. May all beings be happy. Imagine your kindness like sunlight, touching everyone and everything. Gently bring your attention back to yourself. Feel the warmth in your chest, the quiet in your mind. You've just planted seeds of love. Let them grow. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms. Take one more deep breath in and exhale with a smile. Open your eyes whenever you're ready. You've just given the world and yourself a gift. Carry this kindness with you today. If this resonated, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like more meditations like this, subscribe to My Zen Meditation